Hi everyone, Peter from Cholo Emporium here. So in this video we're going to be making this origami bookmark. So you're going to start off by getting your bits together. You're going to need the print off, your scissors and some felt tip pens and some glue. And you're going to start off by colouring in your fox. And you can do whatever colour you want. Now you're going to want to cut it out. So once you've got them cut out, what you're going to need to do is take this bit and then fold it in half on the back along its diagonal. And you can just use a pen to make that fold nice and flat. There we go. So you're going to take it on its back, and then these corners, you're going to move them up to there, like that. So as you move them, you can see the nose of the fox. You want to fold it right where the nose is, like that. And then it's all lined up as well. And then just start folding it again. Like that. Now you want to open it back up. And then this bit, just the top one, you want to bring that down and then fold it over. Don't fold the back one. Then you can fold these back over. Pick it up. Now if you open it up like that, you can see there's a pocket there. That's where you're going to tuck these into. And same with this one. Your last step is to stick on your ears, so you just need your glue for that. And then you press down, you've done your bookmark.